Good morning and happy Independence Day to each and every one of my family and my friends, to my country, Jamaica. Happy Independence Day to each and every one of you. First, I want to say congratulations to Marlon on his big K today, right? It came in as an independent gift to him. Right. We couldn't have gotten it on a better day, right? And today I am going to be making a little mix up of everything from Jamaica, a little Jamaican dish of here, there, and everything. So if you notice that I put on a little Jamaican color today, right? Pop's wearing it and Marlon have it on too. So just watch me in this kitchen. Congratulations to all my YouTubers who did great over this holiday weekend. Much blessings to you. I realize that I have so many boys and girls down there, so much adopted children, all the YouTubers, because they crown me mother of YouTube. So hello, kids. I hope you're doing fine, right? Much love and stick around. Now, 2 pounds of cornmeal. I want to get all this. Don't make me have to use too much of my left hand, please. This is 1 pound. So we're going to put another pound in here. Because the plastic weigh, honey. The plastic weigh, so we have to lessen the scale. Hold it. A little bit more. Lift it up now, it's heavy, come. All right. This is 2 pounds of cornmeal. The little old scale is whole like me, but it not turning me down. Come. Cut the soap on for me, please. Cut off the liquor top. 1 pound of sugar. Sugar supposed to get heavier. Give me a little bit more. Voila. Nice. 1 pound of sugar and 1 pound of flour. I'm just showing you what my thing is going to be needing. And then now we will put it together and you will see what I am going to be making. I will tell you as I go by. This is it. 1 cup of flour, 1 chocho is going into this. So maybe you will see or guess what I am making, but you're going to say, a chocho? Okay, so watch me as we go along. And coconut. I grate in some coconut and I'm blending out some coconut. Give me 2 cups can of coconut milk. Not going to stand up here. So this is what I was doing. I want this to put in there. You couldn't bring one big grater from Portland for me. We have to go import one. All right. This is what I want. Only please to get the pan for me. Know which pan we're talking about. Blending out some coconut, and if you notice, I have some fresh coconut grated right here, just a little. And this is the juice of the coconut. Now, my family and friends, I am making a cornmeal pudding, but I have never done it this way before, right? But someone told me about it, an old friend of mine, so I'm giving it a try, right? We're going to put this in here. This is a can of coconut milk, because I can't sit down and grate so much coconut, trust me. Give me a spoon, love. Hold this on me. Not in there. Take it out. Don't move it. Whoa, the coconut rich. What here? It's coconut milk, this, you know? Look how rich this is. My God. This good, man. Look there. This is all coconut milk in the can, you know. Nice. I get a good can. Nice. Oh, boy. I use a little hot water to do the coconut with, because so when you do a little warm water, you get out a lot of the milk out of the coconut. So that's what I did. So this is it. Hold this, hold this. Going to give this another. Want to another little water. Where you did find that? The lid. it hot. Come use hot water in the blender. Okay. What is it? Get me one of these other pan here, love, please, so we can grate the chocho. Nice. In the meantime, I am going to season up this. Oh, this is a stick of butter I am putting in here. Just I use a little warm water to do the coconut milk. So that, and then I just drop the butter in here. In the meantime, it will melt itself right there. Then I'm going to put in the sugar and the rest of spice. The sugar will make it sweet for the pudding. The sugar coarse, you know, so you hear it in the bottom of the pan. I am very low on my mixed spice. So, extremely low. So I am just doing just with whatever I have there. Could have taken a nice big spoonful. Going to put some nutmeg. There was any in there. One, 2 heap of vanilla. And this has rose water in there already, rose water with almond. So I am not going to put any extra rose water in there. Don't want a whole tablespoon. I will use a teaspoon of it. When I go along, if I see what it needs, then I will put it in there. Don't forget the raisins when you finish that. A teaspoon of cinnamon powder. A teaspoon of salt. Where's the whisk? You can grate it over this, it don't matter. Putting another heap spoon of vanilla in there. And a little more dash of cinnamon, sorry. And a little toops more salt. Like a half a teaspoon more of salt. We'll just do it with this and done. Sugar, I don't want it too sweet. Much nicer. Much nicer. That little salt, just bring it up. Okay. So, I am going to take my pot, put it on, and start to turn my meal. But it's not the blue pot. I have to put up a cup of this. This is plenty to go on the top of the pudding. I should mix all of this in. Let me take my time and mix this in. You so finished with that? Putting in the cornmeal. Putting in the flour, 1/2. This is supposed to be an easy style to, But when I get it together, when I make it this time, I will know how to conquer it the next time. Flour. Bring me up the chocha there, my dear boy. Bake. 50 star. Okay. You soon finish? Okay. Right. This is a coconut that I grated. So I'm just adding it to it. Can you please come with that? And this is the chocho. See it here? First time putting a chocho into my cornmeal pudding. It says add 2, but it's very big, so I just add in 1 to it. When you come, lift this up and let me pour. You have to go on the other side now, Marlon. Let me come on this side here. Okay. This one. And get the water bath for me. You know, the pan with the water. I don't think I'm going to use that. No. Because I'm going to pre-cook it on the stove top. See it here? I am actually giving it a little turn on the stove top first before I put it into the oven. Because if you put it in the oven, it's going to take about some 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do. You just have to keep stirring it so it don't get lumpy. bottom is smooth. And I did mix out a little milk if we needed some more. I wonder how me taste the sugar in there. Sugar could have take a little bit more to me, but most people don't like it sweet to over sweet. I will add a little more sugar to the one that go on top. It's coming along nice. Won't add any milk yet to it. But this here, honey, clear up there so it's all right. Instead of putting in more sugar into the meal over there, when I'm going to glaze the top of it, I can make it a little bit sweeter instead of doing the meal itself. So I had 2 more teaspoons, put that away from me, into the milk to throw on the top of the pudding. So this will just stay here and dissolve in the meantime. Okay. So now flour, please. I'm just going to do a little fried dumpling instead of doing a whole lot. What do you say? Make plenty fried dumpling? Well, cups. Let me see, 3 cups in there. I hate this flour, you know. Come. 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir that for me now from the bottom. Going to make my dough to make my fried dumpling. 1, 2, 3. 4 teaspoons of sugar. I love a little sugar into my flour when I'm making fried dumpling like that. I'll take a little bit more sugar. Another teaspoon. Okay, so this is 4 cups of flour. 4 teaspoons, sorry. But you all see my fried dumpling on the on my video there. Made it more than 1 time. Teaspoon of salt and some sugar and water. Alice, when you're done, please. Okay, this is a little mixed fruit. My God, I have it for about 4 years, if not more, right? Mix it out in there. And don't squish it up, honey. All right, let me do it, come. I just want the lump to come out of that. I'm going to put in a handful of raisins in there. See it? Good. Don't want no more in there. No whole lot of raisins. Going to put it into the pan now. Come, honey. Come throw it in here.
This part, please. All this pops.
Just pour it into this. The thing here not hot, you know.
Yes, sir.
Just hold on your hand. Take your time.
So guys, they buttered the pan already. And just now throwing this in.
Yeah. Come. Don't go up, it's not too much. But it can hold in a small pan. Come. Let me do this with this. Come. All right, then we're going to put this in the oven. And let it just finish doing its thing. in there. Don't forget that small cloth, honey. Come. Pull out the tray. Eh. Take your time, try and get it. Just take it, yes. All right, don't come up with it no further. This side you release it, so be careful. Take your time, push it up. Wait. Good. 130. Okay. Me not do it so again, me rather do it my old-fashioned way. Believe you me. Take less time. Okay, watch me now. This is my pudding in the oven. And I'm ready to pour my custard over it. Nice.
So what is that again, Mommy?
This is the custard for the pudding.
Take your time. Let me do it, please.
You have to take your time.
Sip up.
No, give me. Nice. Good. Not yet. Wait. All right. Give me one of the pudding pan, George. Saltfish didn't get too soft. Make this cool down as it is, honey. Going to take the same water and boil the ackees. Nice. Come put this back on the stove for me, please. And let me put in the ackees. Want it come to a full boil. Give me a piece of pepper. Okay, I'm going to put a little salt in this water. Give me a piece of the pepper, the seed one, no? Let me just drop it in here. Go and boil it with the ackee. Yeah. And then I'm going to start frying my dumplings. Go drop it in here, please. Good. And as soon as that come to a boil, I am going to put in my ackees. And this here now, I'm going to turn on the stove for my dumplings. Yeah. This is going to cool down right over here. And then get to clean up. Yeah. Okay, so we will be back in a little while. Okay, I'm gonna drop the akis in the pot now.
Mommy, the pepper bad. Can you smell it?
No.
Smell it, this?
It's a seed I just put in here for like a flavoring for the aki. Okay. Well, this is going to boil now. Mind the pot behind you hot here. I'm going to put in the dumpling now, Marlon. Okay, this over here. While the pot is getting hot to put in my dumpling, I am going to put a little sugar into my coconut milk for my bammies. So I'm going to put in 2 level teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to add a little salt in there. Let me put a little salt. About a half a teaspoon, a quarter teaspoon, I mean, sorry. I will taste it too. Come here, something. Don't bother my piece. Because the butter might will burn up. Me's a pro at dumpling. If you don't do it so it burn up. Good. Why I hear like a footstep?
Is your other son a come for dumpling?
I don't even tell him. Why is the pot not boiling up? Takes so long. Oh, forget the akis was a bit cold. Wow. I love some susumba in mine. Ready for turn yet? Let me see my pudding. go out some more. See, this is what me did want my white sugar for. Nice. Don't pick it up. Don't pick it up too fine here, honey. No, me no want this. Oh, want to taste it. Mm. frying the bummies. Back up a little bit for me. Marlon is going to take out the pudding out of the oven for me. Let the oven open up a little bit first. Then you pull out the tray, yes. Nice. Wow. Turn it off. Good. Let me look at my pudding. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Wow. Okay, so I'm going to be going back to frying my bammies. Wipe off the summy love. Honey, I'm supposed to think of the wrong pot I used, you know. Should be using the frying pan instead. The non-stick frying pan there, honey. After this come out, I'm going. These soak so much, right? So I'm hope you don't mix them up, you know. Taking out these here, and I'm going to use the other frying pan to fry this. The rest of them. Take a look at the pudding now. Honey, give me one of those round bowl up on top there. All right. I change up the pan, right? So think it's doing a better job. But hold on. But these bummies are so fresh that them just won't break up. Nice. Border bummy. Frying up some onion, and this is for the ackee pot. Honey, get ready and come over there for the breadfruit. Put that frying pan on the breadfruit side here for me. This, okay. I'm going to put in the scallion and the garlic now. Get a little piece in my pot. So I'm going to put one can of thing there for me. Splash out. Frying up nicely. All right, let me put in these now, the tomato and the pepper and a little piece of sweet pepper. Normally I don't use sweet pepper into my ackee, but I just feel like doing it today. Oh, nicely frying up. You see it? Make it catch it nice color. You can put in all the saltfish note, you know. It don't really matter. You can fry in with it. See it there? Yeah. Going to put in a little put in a little chicken seasoning right here. Because the saltfish must be did soak out like a bit too much. So I'm just keeping a little of that in there. Turn down my stove. And then I'm going to put in my ackee. All right, let me spin it over and then I will put a little more on it. I just turn down the stove. One piece of bone. Put a little more black pepper on it. Okay. Then I'm going to cover it down. Where's the cover for this? Oh. Get the juice for me, please. This is Cola's breadfruit. Yep. And this is our last thing for the day. And my friends, see what my cornmeal pudding look like there? Until I know I'm going to cut into it. Them say must always make your thing. Yeah, put a piece of foil paper over that no honey, over the dumpling them. Yeah. I'm taking out the breadfruit now, these. I don't think I am going to. I'm going to save back this. If we don't have, if anybody want more, then we just fry it. Only just rest this back in the freezer there. Or the refrigerator, don't put it in the freezer. Anybody want more breadfruit, we just, it don't take no time to do. This is the ackee and saltfish here. See how nice this look? Very good. We have three Take a piece more plantain leaf.
Breadfruit.
Breadfruit, I mean, sorry. You have to see with the old lady. Wait until you catch to my age. Ackee wanted to drink that bottle. Okay? Akeem did ever catch that. Think I eat a pepper, yes, man? You watch him, you know. All right. Let me put on this first. I'll watch it. Um,
Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. My battery was dying, and there's no sound here at the last part. Don't ask me what happened. I really do not know. But Mom was just, thanking and blessing the food. And she had, I think, what do you call that? Rundown. Because she doesn't want the ackee, so she had rundown instead with fried dumpling, breadfruit, plantain, and what was it? Bami, fried bami, right? And we had Hayden over, and my brother had stopped over as well, right? So here, for some reason, there's no sound. My battery literally died afterwards. So I'm very sorry about this part, but the food was delicious. The cake looked good and tastes very good. Everything was absolutely great, guys. So very sorry about that. She was blessing everyone and thanking all the subscribers and everyone here. She was also talking about me and my reaching my 10K and, just blessing me as well. So thank you, Mom. Love you, Mom. I'm so sorry. I do not know what happened right here, guys. I really do not know what happened right here. She's saying the grace right now.
look at it. Nice and moist. See there? Nice and moist. Oh, very nice. Tunguang kulang na kumura.
Don't eat it while it's hot, because it hurt the stomach.
No, it not hurt your stomach. It just be gliding.
Auntie Pauline, you're to a breath.